Hello artist, welcome to the Leo Art. Today in this tutorial I will draw outline of this photograph and particularly I will focus on eyes, and you can also learn basic steps to draw eyes. I had created one short video on how to draw outline of eyes and where I discuss all the basic method which you need to keep in your mind while you draw eyes. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope guys you will like this process, enjoy this tutorial.